Before starting, I will request all the participants to put their mic and camera on off mode. So we are about to begin with the technical session part 2 of day 1. So a very good afternoon, everyone. On the behalf of Buddha Institute of Technology, I take this privilege to welcome you all. And I also take this privilege to welcome our speaker, Dr. Pratima Khandelwal, who is the founder of FlyHigh, a MSME-based educational support startup in Bengaluru, resting on the capacity building initiative. She carries collective 21 plus years of teaching with mentoring, higher education research in the food technology and leadership experience gained at Thapar Institute at Patiala and later in Bangalore at Science and Engineering Institution under Bangalore University and VTU respectively. She holds PhD in food technology and process and food engineering from G.V. Pant University of Agriculture and Technology, Pantnagar. She has guided doctoral, master's and BE students along with other 40 published research papers and 4 book chapters. She is the inventor of 2 patents and co-discoverer of few new fungal strains. She is on the editorial board of 2 international dairy food science journals and reviewer for 3 international journals. Her research areas are healthcare, food, synoptics, food product development, and pedagogy. Since 2018, she is into techno and empathetic pedagogy and has been training teachers and students in many states of India. She has contributed in FDPs organized by Infosys Campus Connect, BITS Pilani 2019-20, and Biocon Academy. With the one set of ongoing pandemics, she has conducted several skill-based virtual training sessions under faculty and student development programs at many higher educational institutions in India, including at IIT Bhilai, NDRI Karnal, GBBU Pantnagar, Bhubaneswar. She has been invited in Atmanirbhar Bharat based training of trainers and IDP NAHP ICAR based events. She has also been the lead resource person for AICT, Atal and IST based FDPs in states of Karnataka and Tamil Nadu, and regularly trains the students on soft skills under NPTEL IIT Madras. She interacts with young professionals at MNCs, including Infosys, and with Rotarians on food for preventive healthcare. She carries the passion and pragmatism in offering tools and techniques for happier outcomes with participants and stakeholders deriving multidimensional benefits. It's our pleasure to have such a splendid personality with us for this technical session. And this technical session is basically on the enhancing teaching effectiveness in higher education in the new normal by Dr. Pratima Khandelwal. Now I hand over this platform to you, ma'am, for this technical session. You're not audible, ma'am.
Yeah, can I start, please? What's the plan, Ankuji? Can I start?
Yeah, you can start. There is a problem in presentation of your this PPT.
What is the problem?
Wait, ma'am. A second. Yeah, now it's okay.
Yeah, I had shifted the screens. मैंने किया था, हाँ.
Okay.
You told us we are starting at 2:35.
Okay.
So I just took the bell toll, the rang. I had to rush.
Okay.
So great.
So you can start now.
Yeah, thank you so much, Ankuji. Actually, it's really a wonderful feeling to talk to faculty members who are part and parcel of Abdul Kalam Technical University at the state which I also belong to, Uttar Pradesh. So you can see the smile on my face, and that's absolutely because of I also belong to UP, particularly from Bareilly. And beat Lucknow, Beach Saharanpur. These are the areas which we often travel. And I'm coming from Pant University, which is now a part of Uttarakhand. So it's a homecoming to me. On my own behalf, I welcome all of you, and I thank Buddha Institute of Technology for giving me the opportunity to talk to all of you. And in particular, I'd like to place thanks to my colleague, Dr. N. Guruprasad. We have worked in two institutions in Bangalore together. With this, I take off, and as the presentation is in front of you, we are going to talk about how to enhance the teaching effectiveness in higher education. And I'm sure you all know, you agree also that we are in new normal. So I welcome all of you and happy to share after listening to Mr. Buddha Chandrasekhar's lecture, wonderful keynote address in the inaugural session morning. And thanks to Guru Prasad sir, I call him often NGP sir, that he made me attend the inaugural session. And I learned so much, really. It was very nice. And happy to say that I am myself an entrepreneur now from last 8 months. I have been a teacher, a professor and head for long. And only last year, I thought, why not taste the flavor? Ek taste liya jaye. What is entrepreneurship? How easy we tell to students, beta entrepreneur bano. But till until teachers do themselves, बच्चे नहीं समझते हैं, they do not take it so seriously. So I thought, let me take a plunge, even if it's for a short time, no problem. So with that, Fly High is the institute which I have registered under MSME under Government of India. And when I say fly high, I really mean teachers should fly high. Teachers when fly high with expanded wings, students also fly high, and both together can raise. That's the whole objective which I have in front of you. And I bring this 90 minutes, enhancing teaching effectiveness. It's a huge meaning. To enhance is to upgrade. Teaching we all understand. Effectiveness. Right now I'm talking to all of you. Agar ye effective nahi hai, this session is meant for records. Outcome nahi hai. So please learn and understand what I'm trying to say, that it's all about how effective we can do. Pre-lunch, Dr. Guruprasad was talking about OBE with accreditation or from MBA. So O is important. Is outcome come? Input we can do huge, but if there is no outcome, there's a challenge. So let's take off with these words. And as I take off, my responsibility is of your 85 minutes from now. And I'll try my best in all humility कि आपके समय में कुछ add करूँ value में. अगर आपको कहीं भी लगता है कि this lady is boring or you're not enjoying, just unmute and tell me, kindly. Unmute and tell, hey Pratima, you're not at all, I'm not enjoying your talk or I'm not learning. I'll accept and I'll try to be better because your attention is my duty. So if at all you have to leave also, kindly put a note on the chat why you want to leave early. My request. I hope as a co-teacher to you, as a teacher, you will agree to me with this small request. And with this permission of the organizers, Buddha Institute of Technology, I have heard so good from Guru Prasad sir about this institution. And I have that zeal to talk to all of you through this institution, which is Buddha. So the first learning outcome which I want is that we all, as I really feel, that we all, the teachers and our students, are resources, key resources to the institution. We are in the VUCA world. If anybody of you would like to expand VUCA, it will be great. Nevertheless, just please see. V is for, I'm sure you, yeah, somebody is unmuting. Please tell. Yeah, anybody would like to say? So kindly feel free. Collaborate, I can say. That's why the video is also on. So V is for volatility, U is for uncertainty, C is for complexity, and A is for ambiguity. VUCA. We are in a really volatile world. Changes are becoming very fast. There is uncertainty, complexity. All of us understand this word. And confusion, clarity nahi hai, ambiguity. So we are in this world today. Not only India, the whole world is in VUCA. The third is, we as teachers, our role is emerging as facilitators. अब हम गुरु नहीं रहे. गुरु की परिभाषा change हो चुकी है, right? The technology has made it. We all have this gadget, minimum this one gadget. Right now I'm using a laptop and the phone together. So we are more of facilitators rather than the gurus. The fourth, which I'll try to show and make you feel, is that pedagogical changes are becoming fast important. And the fifth, which is that kindly note these two words, SCL, which is student-centric learning, and SEL, which is social emotional learning, are the new gateways. This morning you heard of NEP, outcome-based education. So if we want to collaborate on NEP and OBE, certainly for NBA, these two terms, and I'm sure I'll try my best to expand these two as we go. And last not the least, collaboration and upskilling will be the new keys for teaching or having a successful career in teaching. And I mean it. I mean it. So let's, as we take off, may I please request all of you, even if you are on the phone, can you please take a paper and pen or pencil? Even I'm having as I talk to you. The reason is that sometimes there will be some points which you would like to note. And मेरे साथ तो ये होता है, if I tend to forget, I tend to forget. फिर वो याद ही नहीं रहता. So it's good to take some piece of paper and this with all humility and request, please participate by sharing, by talking, by agreeing, by disagreeing. Share your comments by unmuting and again muting for the obvious protocol of the event. And if you want, if you're not comfortable talking, at least text. At least text zarur kare is my request. You know why? If teachers don't participate, itna maza nahi aata hai. The purpose of FTP is not achieved. So that's my request to all of you. With this, let's take off the baseline. I often start a session with the baseline, and permit me to do once again today. And the baselines are important because, you know, when we try to draw something, and I say we, teachers, are important. In fact, we are very important. Why? Because we are the facilitators of the information in our institution. We create changes in students. Can you imagine this powerful word, create changes? And if at all we are doing so important job, it's very important for us to be healthy and happy. अब ये जो दो छोटे शब्द दिख रहे हैं वो छोटे हैं नहीं, एक्चुअली बहुत ज्यादा मीनिंग है इनका. When I say healthy, what is the meaning? Anybody would like to say what is health? If I can just switch over the screen and ask. Yeah, I'll come to the screen where I can see or I can read your names. Anybody, please. What is health to you? Nitinji, please go ahead. Yes, Nitin Maurya ji, you're unmuted. Kindly go ahead. Or is it a guess? Yeah, please. Anybody, please. What is health to you? अगर ये question funny भी लग रहा है ना, फिर भी try करें. It's important. What is health? Yes, anybody? Yes. Anybody would like to say? Very nice. Vandana ji writes, healthy mind and healthy body. Beautiful. Dr. Tiwari, you attempted very well. Healthy mind and healthy body. So you already spoke of both the components of health. One is on physical health. जब हम अच्छा खाना खा के, अच्छी नींद और अच्छी, physical activity, so we get good body. And equally important is mind. क्या चिंतन, क्या विचार, क्या सोचना, क्या परेशानी, क्या खुशियाँ. So this part is very important. And that's the healthy body and mind together. Thank you, Mrs. Vandana. Sorry, Dr. Vandana, I assume. And it's so nice you are the first person to start answering. Great, keep it up, please. This thumbs up for you. Great. And Nitinji, are you in the meeting? Nitin Maurya ji, are you there? Okay, I hope so, he's there. Fine. Okay, so please note that it's important to take care of ourselves, and that's why, please, let's be very healthy so that we are happy also. Without health, happiness will not come. What is happiness? Outcomes give us happiness. Some people wait for happiness, but I'm sure as teachers, we get happiness. When students perform nicely, we get happiness, right? We become happy. So happiness can be small to big things. Let's not chase happiness. Let's enjoy, like this session, if we are collaborating and something nice happens after this, I'm happy. It's something like that. I'm happy right now. You can see from my face, the smiling face. The reason is, as I told you again, I'm talking to the teachers of my own state where I come from, Uttar Pradesh. Unique in many ways. UP can shake the country. You know it, how important is the state of UP. Yes, there are challenges, but UP is important. Governments come, and you know how important we are. But yes, we need to take care of our state very much. And believe me, sitting in Bangalore, I do try to reach out to institutions that if at all I can help their teachers, if at all I can help their students, especially after my entrepreneurship journey. Okay, coming back. So I spoke about teachers are important. And now the equally important stakeholders are students. Majority of the students, today we call them the word learners, need to be engaged. Like this session, you are not my students, sorry, not at all. ये मतलब ही नहीं है, but we are participants, right? So it's my duty for this 80 minutes कि मैं आपकी time को engage करूँ. For what? For learning and and earning degree. Same way, our students need to be engaged for learning, number one, and earning degree. यहाँ मैं थोड़ा सा पॉज लेके आपसे पूछना चाहूंगी. हमारी वोकेबलरी में कभी कभी क्या होता है कि वी से मैंने यहाँ से डिग्री ली है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई एम अ PhD फ्रॉम GB Pant यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर एंड टेक्नोलॉजी, कंट्रीज फर्स्ट एग्रीकल्चर यूनिवर्सिटी. जब मैं ये बोलती हूँ तो एक गर्व सा महसूस होता है, बिकॉज वाओ, आई कम फ्रॉम GB Pant, दैट फीलिंग कम्स. बट आई हैव नॉट गॉट माई डिग्री, आई हैव अर्नड माई डिग्री. हमने अर्जित करी है, मिली नहीं है हमें. बर्थडे के दिन प्राइज, एक गिफ्ट मिल जाता है. But earning is something much beyond. So let's talk, let's really use this vocabulary that we earn the degree. We do not get a degree. अगर टीचर ये चेंज करके बोलेंगे और सारे स्टूडेंट्स को भी यही भाषा है. So it's so important to collaborate in learning. And like us, they need to grow. We need to help them to grow as facilitators and be happy. I'm sure you will agree. Can I halt for another moment and ask you, how many of you do self-talking? Do you talk to yourself? अब आपको लगेगा कि मैं अजीब से सवाल है. Not at all. It's important. मैं ये नहीं कहनी कि शीशा लेके बात करें ऐसे, अरे प्रतिमा, how are you? No, no, no. Sorry, not at all. What I mean to say is that, does Pratima know how she is feeling, what she wants? Does she like herself? Does she value herself? Are important questions. So please know, like, and in fact, love yourself. We are chasing love and like outside the world. Facebook में like आया कि नहीं, Insta में कुछ हुआ कि नहीं. We needs you. I'm sure you know, especially younger generations. So let's come out of that and start liking us. So I'm sure you're able to see this image. Let's appreciate self. Let's see ourselves as a winner, not a chaser. In fact, every day, the moment you feel good about you, you will do good in the classroom, in the research lab, in innovation, in entrepreneurship. You name it, certainly in academics. That's important. And it's COVID time. So please take care. In this city, in this district, COVID cases are increasing, and we really need to take care of ourselves. तो ये छाता उसका प्रतीक है कि हम जरा और संभल के ख्याल करें अपना, अपने आसपास का. I'm sure you will agree. The only change, the only constant is the change, and life changes. Absolutely, nothing new. But what has happened is that because 2019 के end से changes are more, or you can say faster, because of COVID. So this coronavirus, this COVID आया है coronavirus disease, disease का 2019 का. COVID-19 has caused utter disruption. What is disruption? Changes. So changes आए हैं, but the rate is so high that it is causing huge disruption. So when we talk of disruption, हमारी industry, Education 4.0, is not aloof, and it is dominated by one side is industry, and I'm sure you agree, and the second side is what? COVID. So education, let's just see this FDP. 2020 से पहले, we never thought, even I did my last physical FDP, it was in state of Goa, and it was in second week of March, and just next week was lockdown. It was all, physical. I traveled from Bangalore to Goa, and we had session. Now please see, after that time, till today, which is 31st of March, 2021, we are in online. That's the best example of disruption in education. Today, online teaching is so common, and LKG का बच्चे को पता है online. Forget about a PhD. Today, in our university, which is VTU here, we never had online PhD viva. अब ये norm आ चुका है, NORM, normal हो चुका है. That's the part. So, may I ask you, do you know on what basis is Education 4.0 resting? Do you know on what it is resting? Industry is resting on cyber physical spaces. Industry 3 was resting on automation. आप कुछ guess करना चाहेंगे on what aspect is Education 4.0 resting? And I'll try to switch my screen, and I'm coming out of PowerPoint to look at you if anybody would like to talk. Yeah, please. Anybody? Just guess kare. And one thing, I'm sure you also agree, trying is half winning. I repeat, trying is half winning. तो एक ट्राई कर लिया तो हम आधे तो जीत ही चुके हैं. प्लीज पार्टिसिपेट. अगर मैं आपको बोर लग रही हूँ तो मुझे वो इंडिकेट करें. सो प्लीज से समथिंग, जस्ट गेस करें on what aspect is education 4.0 resting. Yeah, anybody guess kare? Otherwise I will type the answer. If anybody will guess, it's good to guess. It's good to ask. Anytime you can ask question also. Let's not wait for the Q&A end part mein. Aap abhi bhi pooch sakte hain. We all are teachers. So innovation is the answer I've written on the chat. It is innovation. The education 4.0 is resting on innovation. So it's so important for us to talk about newness. It's really important. Is the speed okay? Am I able to reach to you? Please let me know. बताएं अगर कुछ बदलाव चाह रहे हैं तो बताएं. I'll try to modulate. I'll try to decrease or increase the speed. जैसा आपको convenient. You are important. Okay, so when I spoke about disruption and the innovation that which industry is coming, it's important to do some very high productive work. So how to be productive in fast moving changes which are happening and yet have a smile. Can you see the sunshine smile? I call it a sunshine smile. I have done mistakes when I used to be in classroom and I have been tension, and students used to get that energy. Physicists, teachers from physics department, I'm sure you will agree. The law of energy works here as well. And what I have, I will transmit. So if I'm in tension, I will transmit tension only. अगर मुझे खुशी है, मैं खुश महसूस कर रही हूँ, तो मैं वही दूंगी अपने क्लास में भी. That is really true and important. So let's convert ये जो शिकन है चेहरे पे, can we have a sunshine smile? Sunshine smile. Let's take off the small journey. So please see, teachers, we are the facilitators. ये मैंने शब्द पहले भी बोला था. हम गुरु नहीं रहे. गुरु पूर्णिमा में भले हमारे स्टूडेंट्स हमें विश करें. Actually speaking, we are no more gurus. In fact, after the technology in hand, हमारा रोल फैसिलिटेटर हो गया है. And let's accept it. ये पहला चेंज है. जितना जल्दी हम एक्सेप्ट करेंगे उतना ही बेटर है. So we always, big people like Socrates or William Arthur have told that as teachers, we can make them only think. And one beautiful word, we need to inspire them. So आप देखें, we are facilitator, and as teachers, our role is to think, make them think and aspire. बढ़िया life, बढ़िया career, overall happiness. Let's make them aspire. That's the beauty. But today there are a lot of challenges after technology, especially after online. Although students are very bright also, I agree. But there are challenges. And there are very good opportunities also. So may I please invite all of you to join me and collaborate me on a platform which I'm going to use, Padlet, Padlet. हो सकता है आप खुद भी यूज करते हो, and it will be nice. अगर नहीं भी यूज करते हैं तो it's very easy. Just click करना है. एक लिंक भेज रही हूँ. If some of you are very comfortable scanning the barcode, आप अभी कर सकते हैं. Scanning mode पे है ये. या फिर I will just send the link to you. I'll do that and I'll come back to this. So what I wish, एक opportunity और एक challenge जो आप face कर रहे हैं, if you can share with all of us, it will be great. You may not write your name. Okay. So I am putting, just a moment, I am putting on the chat. Kindly आप साथ आएं, and morning में हम बात कर रहे थे इतनी innovation की. So give me a moment. I'll just copy the link and share it on the screen. ये मैंने इसमें डाल दिया है चैट में, तो आप जस्ट उसको क्लिक कर दें. That's all, and you will be with me. Kindly click the link which is on chat. Kindly, अगर आप फोन पे हैं तो भी ठीक है, अगर आप लैपटॉप पे यूज कर रहे हैं या डेस्कटॉप पे, any mode it is fine. Just kindly click the link. Yeah, please. And kindly join, and you may see the blue screen. Is it the blue screen visible to you? If I can ask now, is it visible to you? Anybody? I'm changing the screen. Is it visible to all of you? The blue color lines? Yes or no, please? Yes, it's visible. Okay. अच्छा, you prefer texting then? मैं ना कान में सुन रही थी कि आपको कोई आंसर आए. Thank you so much, Dr. Arvind Pandey, Dr. Neha Mittal, Dr. Verma. Thank you so much. And let's please click. Once you are seeing, आपने जब click कर दिया ना link जो भेजा है text में, kindly click the link and you will get in your screen also this. And then click this pink switch, which is in the lower bottom. जैसे अभी मैं क्लिक करूंगी तो जैसे देखिए ये एक और आ जाएगा, एक पोस्टेड काइंड ऑफ चिट खुलेगी. यहाँ you can write your challenge and opportunity. So I will just demonstrate my challenge and opportunity. Kindly, please आप आए जुड़े साथ में. Just try. It's so important to try. Please just try. Please join. How many of you are using some tools to connect with your students in online? आप use करते होंगे कुछ ना कुछ तो tools. You can try this new tool also. Yeah. Thank you, Dr. Vimukta. Thank you. Yes. Please come and join. So I feel that the opportunity to me is new ways of teaching are available. Okay. And I have a challenge. To me, 1 minute, spelling गलत हो गई है, मैं ठीक कर दूं. To me, the challenge is that the attention span, assume, the attention span is low. So this is my C, challenge, or wala O hai, opportunity. Yeah, this is mine. I have exemplified you. Can you please write something on this? Are you able to come to the link? Are you able to come to the link, please? How to know if you don't answer? Are you able to come to the link? Dr. Neha Mittal, could you try? I'm sure you are getting. Could you try the link? Is it link working? Kuch bataye? Oh, you could come. Very nice. Srivastav ji, thank you so much. No. Dr. Aarti, क्या problem हुई? Link को click करने में कुछ आया? What did it come? Please share on the mic ना. Unmute. Just unmute and say. क्योंकि मैं अब screen change कर रही हूँ. I'm on this screen now, on the Padlet screen. Yeah, please tell me.
Good afternoon, ma'am. I guess needs to sign in first, right?
No signing required. This is a collaborative tool. So anybody has come on the link? I often use with my team of teachers and students. मैं daily basis पे use कर रही हूँ इसको. ये ना आप जैसे click करेंगे तो ये blue screen खुलना चाहिए आपके screen में भी.
We are on the blue screen, but we are not getting that pencil option or the editing
No,
option.
ये देखिए pencil नहीं है, ये वाला जो pink switch है, pink.
Yeah, pink switch. That option is not available in our screen. It's only blue.
Oh.
I'm saying the login is required, I guess.
No, not login. I do use that. Yesterday only I had a session with the Karnataka teachers here.
Nobody has written up anything, right, ma'am?
हाँ, अभी तक कोई लिखा नहीं. कोई और कहे. Very nice. Thank you so much. I could not know your name, Dr. Saket. Thank you so much.
Yes, ma'am. It's Saket. Saket Rusia from Rajki Engineering College, Mainpuri, ma'am.
Great, very good, Mainpuri. Yeah, nice. So अगर ये plus नहीं दिख रहा है, so let me do QR code. आप use करते हैं आप लोग QR code?
Yes, ma'am. I guess.
It should have worked actually. I'm sharing. Okay, so let's do one thing. Achha, no pink button. Thank you, Dr. Pandey. Thank you. You also means that means it's visible or not visible. Let's do one thing. Can you write here on the text your challenge and your opportunity? One each. You can put on the chat only here. यहीं पर लगा ले. एक challenge, एक opportunity. Otherwise, can any of you send me your email ID here? I can just share it right away on the mail. आप वहां से भी खोल सकते हैं. वहां आ जाना चाहिए. If I could share on your email, it will come. Somebody is using Padlet here? कोई use कर रहे हैं? Ah, great. I will just put. Give me a moment. I'll just compose the mail immediately and try to send it to you. Okay, we are using time. Time जा रहा है. But how come it is not working? Challenge is the new technology. Yes, Dr. Aarti, correct. Challenge is the new technology. So you're right, Dr. Mishra. We need to really learn. This is a challenge for me also, actually. How many sessions I also have to attend to learn the technology. Like, see, this is a challenge right now that we are trying to learn Padlet technology, and suddenly that pink button is not coming so that you can come and put your views. Okay, so what I'll do, no problem. After the session, you can just use that time also. I will try to share with your email, which I'm picking from here. And I will try to share so that you can use at your end. इसको homework में डाल देते हैं. Okay, thank you so much. Thanks so much for understanding also. And some of you have already written. I will just take all the email ID from here. And before I quit the session, and I will put it this way, we'll just come out with an alternative. And I'll try to. Yesterday only I was using, it worked so well. No problem, कुछ होगा एक challenge. So if at all somebody can use on this QR code also, तो भी try कर लें अभी. You know why? I wanted to hear your opinion because it matters, and if at all we can know what are the challenges, it will be great for us to understand further. And certainly there are opportunities also. I'm sure you will agree. There are very good opportunities also. See, today nobody is traveling. Many cities and towns of UP are connected with here Bangalore, and we are talking. This is a beautiful opportunity also. So yes, there are challenges as well as opportunity. What is our duty as teachers? To convert challenge to opportunity. We need to do this. We need to do this. That's exactly required. So let's move further and talk something about what exactly is happening and required. So अगर हम बात करें ट्रेडिशनल एंड कंटेम्प्रेरी जो होना चाहिए इन रिक्वायरमेंट या जो इन फैशन और जो पहले चल रहा था, ये सपोज फॉर एग्जांपल माय टीचर्स इन पंतनगर, अज्यूम, right? Or in Bareilly College, assume my cousin's teachers in Bareilly College or Lucknow University, assume something like that. Normally, आज के time पे, if we are teaching in traditional way, it gets us stressed. By semester end, teachers are stressed. They are waiting for semester break, and students also bunk. They are not much interested. In fact, they are not even respecting teachers now. जो बहुत common complaint teachers की आजकल है कि students are not respecting us much. So let's, if at all we do something which is required in a way, which is active teaching or learning, it gives us more happiness and satisfaction. And our value is very high. This is already experimented. So, agar aapka main dhyan akarshit karu, the whole point is, are we teaching to students or they are learning themselves? Our aim is that students should learn on their own. They should learn on their own. So, let's see this aspect that traditional mein kya hota hai ki we are only bothered what we are doing. What is my notes, my question papers, and we will have students which are hardly participating. Just ये कि ऐसे बैठी है और कुछ और हो रहा है, क्लास चल रही है, यहाँ फोन चल रहा है, all those kinds. So imagine if at all this is happening, that means कुछ तो कमी है पढ़ाने वाले में, बोलने वाले में. See, right now also if you are not interested, I already told you this is my limitation. ये मेरा failure. I accept. So that's why I was telling, as a good teacher in my heart, I am saying, can you please give me some suggestions that I am not boring to you, if at all you find me boring, rather than aapsi that session chhod ke chale jaye, something like that. But in today's time, if we teach in outcome-based method, in outcome-based education, we need to talk what our students are becoming. They are becoming. इन्हीं के कितने नंबर आ गए, पास हो गए? नहीं, that is all old, चला गया उसका जमाना. We need to talk कितनी skills आई डोमेन की या related. एक्टिव लर्नर्स होंगे हमारे पास, और तो और कुछ बच्चे तो सेल्फ लर्नर्स भी होंगे, खुद से पढ़ेंगे, because we'll be talking more of applying, understanding rather than remembering. So please, my request is talk to them in such a way in these four, today's technology 2021, I can tell you, holistic teaching, many good universities in Bangalore, we are talking in this aspect. पहला most important is we हम already करते आ रहे हैं, which is on knowledge centric teaching. जो हम करते आ रहे हैं. So let's continue, which is known as cognitive. If you want, you can note this term. You can take a screenshot the way you want. Second is upskilling. So this is important. We need to upskill our students. But please tell me one thing. If we are not upskilled, can our students be upskilled? No. So there are certain things which we require. For example, the challenge which I am facing, अभी क्या हुआ, Padlet नहीं चला. Yeah, I could show you the screen, but I could not make you edit. Assume this happened right now. But if had it been in student's class, I would have told one student, because 50 times a semester I meet him or her, kindly, Santosh, please take care of this and take 5 minutes break from the class, solve this problem and come back to the class. See, that is another way to make the students more confident. Because I know my children are more in technology than me. So let's accept and learn from them. Social learning. soft skills based. Because I'm sure you also agree. I know my cousins I have seen in UP, particularly in Bareilly, that we have got very high marks, but when it comes to talking, presenting, speaking, बिल्कुल नहीं. क्यों? क्योंकि चांस ही नहीं मिले क्लास में, सिर्फ पढ़ाई और क्वेश्चन पेपर में हम कर रहे थे, आंसर्स लिख रहे थे, बोलने के तो चांस ही नहीं मिले. So we need to talk today. Students should be given chance. For example, I was asking questions in between, or I'm telling you to text, to write, to type. For example, because you are teachers, I'm doing little. If it's the students' class, I do many more, right? But it's important to give them chance. Soft skills. चौथा बहुत important है, and I'm sure many of you know this term, which is emotional learning. Emotional learning ये नहीं कि emotions है, नहीं होना चाहिए. Not at all. Emotions are very important. The term which is in front of you is EI, emotional intelligence. EI. This is so important that understanding emotions of ours and others is intelligence. कब डांटना, कब नहीं डांटना, कब लाड़ से बात करना, कब misuse नहीं होना, कब खुद समझना. And you know, our country is one country where boys are taught, बेटा लड़के रोते नहीं हैं. Sorry to say. Sorry, I just disagree to this line. अगर like माधुरी दीक्षित rightly says, अगर actually सिखाएं अपने बच्चों को, especially बेटों को, ये ना सिखाएं कि लड़के रोते नहीं है, ये सिखाएं कि लड़के रुलाते नहीं है. How beautiful line she told. Just see this line. मतलब उन्होंने पूरा निचोड़ एक सार दे दिया इस लाइन में. Who said if boys do not cry, then why they have tear glands? उनके आंसू आना ही नहीं चाहिए फिर तो. कुदरत को तो गलती होगी फिर कुदरत से कि आंसू लड़कों को भी आ जाते हैं. If something is not required, you know, in biology teachers will know, we say vestigial organ. So if that is the case, please let's understand emotions. So that is holistic teaching. मैं sunshine से यही दिखाना चाह रही हूँ मैं. It's holistic. चारों को साथ लेकर आए. Now you will think this lady ये बहुत ज़्यादा कुछ बोल रही है. Relax. I am not saying हर teacher को चारों में एक निपुण होना चाहिए. No. It's absolutely fine that you know you are already strong in cognitive and you can take one more. Your other colleagues will be in some other strength they will have. So collectively, head of the department can enjoy, the dean of the college, the director can enjoy the team. You know, when I do leadership programs for HODs and deans, I really talk this. एक teacher से expect सब कुछ करना, sorry, not right. Even I am with you. Same way, एक बच्चे से सारे subject में अच्छा करना, don't expect till until we give him or her chance. So let's really talk in such a way that all these four are predominantly important, and let's slowly increase our strength in these four. Any disagreement till here? Any disagreement? I'll just switch over the windows and I'll come back to the slide. Can I just talk to you? Any disagreement or agreement? That's the reason the video is on. My sessions, I keep on the video. Any point would you like to say? कुछ agree करना है या नहीं? आप नहीं, what किसी ने हिंदी मतलब कि आप नहीं मान रहे. It's good to disagree. बोले, sure. Yeah. Thank you. Wonderful emails are given. I will take care. I was on chat also. I will certainly send the link by the session के 10 minute के अंदर. ठीक है? Thank you so much. Wonderful. Yes, please go ahead. So you know, normally like this is to be on OB and MBA. So we have all age group together. So it's good. We can have some nice sharing of thoughts, which आप share करें आप. जितना मैंने कुछ कहा आपको, are you agreeing, Reggie? Because more than half of the time we have spent. Any discussion, or can I go ahead, please? Please go ahead. Can I go ahead? Maybe, you know, my habit is to keep asking whether you are with us or not. So I do in my classes also. So please, बुरा मत माने, मैं आपसे पूछूंगी बीच-बीच में whether you are understanding or not. It's so important for me. Every teacher, it shows 64. दो तो मेरा share है इसमें, एक video में, एक presentation में. 62 of you are so important to me. Each of you with 60 students. Number देखें जरा कहाँ पहुँचेगा. 372. Sorry, 3720 ना number पहुँचेगा. Sorry, maths is weak. मेरी. So आप देखें. So what numbers I'm talking to? 62 teachers, now 64 teachers. How important each and every teacher is. That's my philosophy. 20 years in classroom. In fact, 18 years in classroom. I have experience from lecturer to professor and head. I have experienced many things, especially as class teacher and mentor. I have learned maximum. सबसे ज़्यादा गलतियां भी हुई हैं मुझसे HOD और class teacher के रोल में फिर सुधरी भी सुधार लाए. That's why I have come as an entrepreneur now. I learned so late. Let younger teachers not learn late. Can they pick up much faster, much sooner? It will be great. That's my philosophy in Fly High. So please feel free. All our teachers, no students here. And अगर deans हैं तो my खास request to directors and deans and professors and heads, आप जरूर कुछ कहें. I'll improve. Let it be negative. Always feedback cannot be positive. So please feel free. So I'll come back to the, if no answer, हम शांत हैं, yeah, silence is also yes. So I go ahead with your permission and I'm back on this slide, which is talking about 360-degree view. This is actually for most of the heads and directors and deans particularly. That as HOD, my duty is my team of teachers and students should be rising up and up. So आज के ज़माने में there are 8 important tools, and I request, although session is being recorded, you may ask for slides, but अपने screenshot का अलग ही मजा है. That's my philosophy. So take a screenshot of this slide. I'm only telling, and please see that it is so important on these 8 aspects. वो कौन से 8 है? ICT use करना, innovation की बात करना. Morning, Dr. Chandrasekhar tried his best to speak about entrepreneurship and innovation. The word is management, it is for the institute. At individual level of teacher, it is only innovation. Reskilling, I was mentioning, जो पुराना हो चुका है, जब नहीं लागू है, we need to leave it. We need to talk about what is required today. So one thing is unlearning and something is relearning. Like Pratima needs to relearn something more on tech tools to be more confident is an example I'm giving. Because मुझे सिर्फ 5-6 आते हैं and there are 20 available. So 14 मैं सीख सकती हूँ. So I need to be better. Very important is pedagogical approaches. Adapt to changes, like already many of us have done, offline to online. Communication is another important. If a teacher communicates well, क्या meaning है उसका? Wow. It's wow. And this wow word, see, हम कैसे बोलते हैं? Wow. Eyes sparkle. We smile. Can we say wow? Wow. Are you seeing on the camera? Look at me. Wow. See, Shikan के साथ wow आता ही नहीं है. This word is beautiful. Wow means, dil se bole. Wow. That's the power of communication. Mentoring and counseling. I'm sure all teachers know. I mentioned of EI, intelligence, which intelligence? Emotional intelligence and soft skills, certain. Today, companies want students not high in marks, but high in attitude and soft skills. Dr. Guru Prasad was mentioning in his session, positive attitude, and he mentioned of this word. Positive attitude, have that attitude and be a soft skills. I add one word, soft skills. Today, half of the job we can learn when we join the career. But soft skills sikhana, as we age, very kathin hai. Possible, absolutely. I'm still learning Kannada. Because I was in Bengal, I speak Bengali. So we keep learning, we keep learning. I am saying I still learning Kannada. Any Kannadika, let me know, I can talk. We can just talk. Feedback and reflection is the last. Like, see, I was talking to you, multiple times I asked, are you understanding me? Is my speed okay? Am I boring? Are all I'm trying to gauge feedback. Why to wait for the feedback which is required for certificate? But feedback right away. And, reflection, I'm sure some teachers are very smart here who also reflect. Right now, Pratima is having a session. Pratima must reflect at end of the session, which is say around 4 or 4:10, that how did I do? Was I empathic? How to improve are all part of my feedback. Why teachers were silent? Why teachers of this university, affiliated colleges in various towns and cities of Uttar Pradesh took time to speak? See, these are questions which can come to me. In fact, same I faced yesterday. We had teachers from AICT sponsored FDP I was giving in a college. And पहला आधा घंटा लग गया एक टीचर को बोलने में. Can you imagine? We were 62 there. And उसके बाद it was beautiful. Beautiful. In fact, शाम तक मेल आती रही मेरे पास. See, that happened. The session was in morning. So that's that. Reflection. It takes time. ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. Time लगेगा, पर चलेंगे आगे. So if at all you take care of these 8 pillars, department, deanery, institution, university, all will be in a better position. thumbs up. We go north means growth. Yeah. So let's start talk a bit on 2-3 aspects. 8 ka to, we are not talking 8. I just told you. So we will just pick 2 things from here. So before we pick up those 2, teachers must excite. They must, invite students and inspire the learners. The focus should be on having involved students when we teach them. And let's have limelight. When you speak, you have the limelight on you. And let's have accept the differential growth of the students. What does it mean, the 4th point? In fact, सबसे important है इसमें students को भी chance दे बोलने का. That's limelight. In fact, when you start this methodology, out of 60, nobody will come forward. 5-6 दिन लग जाएंगे, उसके बाद 1-2 बच्चे आएंगे उसके. एक semester में you will have some good. So patience is very important with teachers. Like mothers, teachers need to have patience. So as we all are learning differently. See, some of you are comfortable in talking on mic. Some of you are comfortable in texting. So when we are different, so are our students. Everybody will learn at different speed. So we may not shout. We may not insult him in the class. Hey, gadha, kya kar raha hai? Something like that. These words many of the teachers in India speak, to be honest. Abhi aapko hansi aa rahi hogi, but honestly, ye reality bata raha hai. So it's very hurting. Sabke samne insult karna is not good. But sabke samne tareef kare bacche ki. So I'll just tell you that there are methods. I'll just come to this slide also very shortly. That there are ways to know हर बच्चे में क्या एक हुनर है. Music, painting, cooking, digital technology, YouTube making, you just name it. अगर पढ़ाई में होशियार नहीं भी है तो वो एक में तो अच्छा होगा. So the moment we pick it up from there, job is done. He will pick up good in studies also, at least 2 semesters. Patience. So let's have a lot of creativity in our terms. Let's also see, this is also very important slide. मैं खुद ही बोल रही हूँ, आप screenshot ले लें, photograph ले लें slide का. मैं अपने लिए नहीं बोल रही हूँ ये, but this is good content, especially for the HODs and deans. This is very important slide. Today, our teachers must make students have some attributes. What are those? Let's quickly see. Number 1, they must have conceptual learning. Not ratke, ratau, mugging in English we say. No. Analyze, vicharna or innovation. Morning we spoke. Sorry, we heard. I also learned with you. Apply real world information in real world. Some project if we are doing which has no use, नंबर मिल जाएंगे, बच्चा पास हो जाएगा, डिग्री मिल जाएगी, हो सकता है रैंक भी मिल जाए, मेडल मिल जाए, but no use. So today teachers should give projects which have real world application. यहीं पर तो patents होंगे, यहीं पर patents आएंगे. Develop critical thinking and problem solving skills. Today, be it AICT, NBA, NEP 2020, सब में ये word आप गांठ बांध लें. Critical thinking, problem solving, CTPS की जरूरत बहुत है. Appreciate teamwork. Without team, sorry, this is this, without team. Team is this. No use of being alone. Be ethical. Yeah, we need to tell our students. Appreciable soft skills, I already told, and positive attitude. Earn emotional intelligence, because जब tough time आएगा, तो control होगा situation control में होगी. And appreciate. Will anybody try to expand what is UHV? I really wish some of you can write on the text. UHV 2020 से शुरू हुआ है नया subject. What is this UHV? I will tell little later. First you try to tell, or you can Google also. You will get it. All the words with the black font are domain. Dr. Gurupada was morning mentioning. PO1 to PO5 are domain specific, and PO6 to PO12 in NBA are non-domain specific. So it's so important to make students ready for both. That's what NBA is sorry. That's what NBA is expecting. Yeah. How to do? All this we spoke. How to do? Let's quickly see. So can you see this funnel? I hope this is visible to you. The funnel is in front of you. What is a funnel? Faculty from Basic Sciences. In fact, the whole FGP is being organized by the Department of Basic Sciences and Humanities. Really, wow. Normally, this department will not do it for all other departments. And I'm so happy to see the teachers coming from various streams and from Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Technical University and together. This is also an achievement for the organizers. Absolutely beautiful. So please see this funnel. In chemistry, we put some process हुआ, कुछ product आएगा. So what is input data? SCL, SEL, or style of teaching. These three things, if we take care, what all will come from students' end will be aligned with outcome-based education and NEP 2020. Today, it's not a chance. Before July 2020, option था. अब तो बिल्कुल करना ही है. अब तो वो, we are, there is no U-turn. So what is SCL? Student-centric learning. Students are in the focus. They participate in learning. Learning by students. Doing by students. Not writing answers by students alone. No, वो साल में एक बार, semester में एक बार. No, we are not talking of that. The SEL is what? See, this is SE so much on socio-economic. Socio-emotional learning. These are relatively new terms, but they are very new. And what is pedagogy? अध्ययन शास्त्र कहें, पढ़ाने का शास्त्र, जो भी कहें, but methodology and practice of teaching learning. TL is teaching learning. So this is it. So it's really important. I hope you also agree. This is something, is the way. बड़ा easy है कहना ऐसा करें, पर उसको कैसे करें? The methodology is in front of you. So I'll take some 10 minutes more on this. And if we talk of this SCL and SEL, my mind says there are 6 methods. And number 1, green color say, green is for sustainability. Dhani color, sustenance. Sustainability is the mantra, United Nations, governments, universities, सबको एक ही word चाहिए, sustainability. So what is that? The first is know your students, not their address, or not only their address, माँ बाप के नाम, कितने नंबर आए 12th में, वहाँ पर इंटर बोलते हैं. Like we call here PU. In this state of Karnataka, we call PU, pre-university. In state of Uttar Pradesh, we call higher, intermediate, higher secondary कभी कभी बोल देते हैं, या 12th. तो बच्चों के बियॉन्ड दैट बेसिक इन्फॉर्मेशन, उनके इंटरेस्ट क्या है, उनको क्या बनने का मन है, क्या उनको जबरदस्ती भेजा गया इंजीनियरिंग में, या आर्किटेक्चर में, या फार्मेसी में, या साइंसेज में, यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड, या ह्यूमैनिटीज में, whatever be the subject, let you know their interest in subject, beyond subject. Motivate them for involving in learning. पहले बच्चे नहीं होंगे मोटिवेट, क्योंकि उनके स्कूल में भी वो ऐसे चलते आ रहा है. So college teachers have a more role to play. I always told my team when I was head of the department, our job is much more to motivate, then create learning. एक माहौल create करना, to create an environment, and we are the leaders of that environment. As a teacher, I am the leader. Please note. So my skills of communication, my skills of subject, my strength should be very strong. और फिर शाम के 4 या 5 बजे कैसे नहीं आएगी स्माइल जब हम घर वापस जाएंगे. जब दिन अच्छा जाता है तो स्माइल अपने आप आती है. So I always tell my teachers, whenever you go back at 5, look at the mirror. Are you tired or you are still smiling? If you are tired, कुछ कमी है, स्माइल करके वापस जाओ. जब काम में मजा आता है तो भी थकान ही नहीं लगती है. Number 4 is to invite students to collaborate. I mentioned on teamwork and develop social skills. Actually, OB cannot happen without collaboration. Beat criteria 2, 3, 4, and 7 of NBA. You are going from tomorrow onwards, you are going for each criteria. It is so important. You will get marks for yourself also if you have this teaching approach. The next is involve students. बच्चे लैब में ऐसे ना बैठे, ये देखिए और आके ये रीडिंग नोट कर रहे हैं, ये हमने जांच ली कॉपी. Sorry. So I have seen in many engineering labs, 2 students are doing and the others, which could be another 15 or 18, are sitting. In my university, this is GB Pant University, there will be no stools in the lab, no fans in the lab. Why? Lab is a place to learn more. Classroom have fans. We are already sitting in class, but not in lab. We need to be sturdy, physically fit. 3 घंटे खड़े रहे. And that's why health comes. Today, I'm a food technologist by subject and food engineer. So if at all, there's one word, hidden hunger. In fact, I discuss with students also on this. If iron is less, I can't stand, iron is less in my blood, I can't stand for 3 hours. This, that, I will take a space and somehow sit. That I mentioned. Young students today cannot stand long. कहीं ना कुछ कमी है. So involve them, push करें उनको, अच्छी चीज, अच्छा नाश्ता करके आए क्लास में. ये छोटी सी बात, but so important. So important. Sorry अगर आपको मुझ पर हंसी आ रही है तो, but sorry, but these are all facts which I'm trying to just put in front of you. 18 साल का निचोड़ क्लास का है और ये 4 साल ट्रेनिंग. Choose the best means. See, why I told the best means, every teacher, Dr. Mittal has a different plan of teaching. Dr. Guru Prasad has a different plan of teaching. Ankur Ji, young teacher, has a different plan of teaching than Pratima. It doesn't mean Pratima needs to copy these 3 teachers. If at all she likes something in somebody, I will copy. I like Dr. Guru Prasad's slides. I may copy tomorrow. So it's about learning. I liked many points of Dr. Buddha's session morning, and I copied many things when I was in kitchen in the morning. And I had in one hand, I was scribbling something. Us paper mein haldi bhi lag gayi. Because really, this is the way we want to learn, is my style. So it's not about copying, it's all about choosing the best method which suits me and my students. So बच्चों को भी variety मिलेगी, diversity is beautiful, and things will be great. I hope the 6 points you agree. I hope. So in fact, why I showed again with I use sunshine smiles often. Smiling is important. Shikan nahi, smile. So it will be very nice as we move ahead. And I'm sure you will be taught, I'm sure you also know Bloom's taxonomy, especially teachers of engineering colleges. I'm sure you, and architecture also, you know about Bloom's revised taxonomy, RBT, revised Bloom's. So all about we are talking is active learning, learning by doing, learning by saying, writing. Why I'm motivating you to speak, write, text, participate is here. If at all only you are reading or hearing me, it is less learning. Can you see this percentages? ये reality है. Science ने research के बाद निकले ये आंकड़े. This is not by chance. किसी का अंदाज नहीं है ये. Actual facts है. So let's not ask them in the question paper, define, list, explain. Ask them, analyze question. Define the problem. Evaluate the conditions. In lab practice, demonstrate. So it will be great. I invite you to do more of active learning for your students. And the proven tool is in front of you, Bloom's revised taxonomy, in which I'm sure you know, remembering जो रखना. 1 साल के बच्चे को नाम पूछो जिसको बोलना आता हो, बेटा आपका नाम क्या है? He or she will tell. Why? No understanding. बेटा आपका नाम सोहन है. सोहन, 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 सोहन. आ गया याद. हफ्ते 10 दिन में याद हो गया. 1.5 years old child. We are teaching 18 years old to 22, 25 years old जो masters पढ़ा रहे हैं. How important it is. Understanding. Let's go up. Go north. ये north की निशानी है. And you are already in the north of the country. Go north. Go north. So the highest is creation. जो हम lab में करते हैं, innovation की बात हो, projects की बात हो. But at least in class में तक theory में analyze तो कर सकते हैं. Not only understand. Define, describe, write, short notes, critical notes. इससे ऊपर उठे. In fact, if you're going for MBA, you have to do it because MBA will check what levels of Bloom's taxonomy you follow. इसको बोलते हैं level 1, L1, और इस मामले में L6 is in front of creation. So higher the L, you are a better teacher. और right hand side में आपने words पढ़ लिए होंगे. क्या क्या हो सकते हैं? These are in front of the verbs. Kriya in Hindi, what we say, verbs, VERBS. So what verbs we are using? Summarizing, organizing, hypothesizing, designing are the words in question papers which can come. So अगर आप बात करें teaching, what is teaching? It's about co-managing. अगर ये cycle का hand, ये line डंडा कट जाए, you cannot do cycling. Pedal करते रहे, cycle आगे जाएगी नहीं. So we students with our students and we teachers are together. Handle हमारे हाथ में है. We are the leaders. Cycle का handle is in teacher's hand. And do that blue shade. Do. Make your children do more. वो टीचर जो सिर्फ नोट्स देके बच्चों को पास हो रहे हैं, बच्चे रैंक आ रही है, so वो टीचर कर रहा है. Do is by teacher, not by students. कहीं कुछ गड़बड़ हो रही है वहां पे. Please change it. भले ही मार्क्स कम आए. Today jobs are not required for 90%. They will say 60, 65, 70%. And like Allahabad University, Banaras Hindu University, they are known for very tough marking. I have seen my parents' marks, and they are from. My father is from Roorkee University now, IIT Roorkee. Marks cannot be just given like this, 90%, 95%. First division in UP is very high value. I'm coming from that family. So please make your students do better by asking better questions. So do, chota shabd, powerful word is what I'm trying to say. So how to do, some examples are in front of you as we are towards the Adha Ghanta session, right? As we are towards the later part of the session, we need to, any question till now? Let me just change the screen again. सॉरी ये मैं आपको ब्रेक्स दूंगी बिकॉज आई नीड टू नो वेदर आई एम मेकिंग सेंस और नॉट. आपका टाइम जा रहा है, आप पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं, ऑल ऑफ यू आर टीचर्स. Yes, yes, very good, Dr. Singh. Universal human values. I asked UHB. Very rightly, you have answered. It is universal human values. First time in India, 2020, the course has started on UHB. Some of you, जो बहुत अच्छा मजा आता है आपको इन subjects में, like Bhagavad Gita हुई. I know BITS Pilani. I do training there also. In BITS Pilani, I do in Hyderabad campus, but in Pilani campus, will you believe there is one course on Bhagavad Gita? And don't think only Hindu students come. Bhagavad Gita doesn't mean for Hinduism. That is for life ka sat. You know, वो क्या बोलते हैं? Sat, 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 sat. So that they teach. And there are so many students. पहले जब launch के 50 बच्चे आए 500 में से, आज की तारीख में 350 है. I mean it. आप देखिए जरा उनका वेबसाइट बिट्स पिलानी पिलानी कैंपस राजस्थान में जो है. Okay. So great, Dr. Singh. Thank you so much. At 321, you rightly answered universal human values. Dr. Vandana Tiwari also wrote, very nice. And oh, very nice. Dr. Agrawal mentions in 2009 only it was introduced, maybe introduced, you want to say, in the ATQ system. Wonderful. Let's clap for UP Technology University, or today you call yourself as AKT, Abdul Kalam Technological University. Your university is a name of such high person, such one of the finest scientists this country has produced, His Excellency, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Wow. Wow. Yeah, you know, naam shan hai, what we say. Okay. So is it okay? Are you understanding me? And suddenly I saw numbers are fluctuating, 60, 64, 66. And as a teacher, my eyes do go on the numbers. So I keep switching, and that's also, you know, कभी-कभी change करना चाहिए screen. आपका interest भी बरकरार रहे, वो एक और reason है. मैं screen change करते रहती हूँ बीच-बीच में. कहीं भी कुछ अटकन लगे, आप मुझसे improvement चाहते हैं, जरा कहें आप. I'm talking to teachers, and I'm talking to 60 teachers. 60 into 60, 3600 बच्चों. आपके पास अगर 60 भी बच्चे हैं, I'm talking to 3,600 students. If 50% also have listened, that's also very high number, 1800. So please see how important is this session. Okay, so how we can do student-centric SCL, teaching or learning, SCT, bring them to participation, interactive, like many of you are interacting very well. Participation by interaction. Flip, I'm sure you know this term, because when we talk of flip क्या होता है? जैसे ये हम करते हैं flip, phone भी आजकल बड़ा use करते हैं, flip ये वाला term use करना, sorry अभी lock है. So in flipping we means screen change हो रही है, right? Something, flip. तो यहाँ flip का ये भी मतलब है, see, this is the phone, main screen है ये, और ये हो गई उल्टी, this camera वाली part. So this is flipping. So उल्टा, flip कर देना, पराठा को हमने flip कर दिया, ना दूसरी तरफ सेकने के लिए, flipping, डोसे को flip करा. Exactly isn't this. So अभी हम teacher पढ़ा रहे हैं, students सुन रहे हैं. Flip में क्या होगा? Students will be the main job. They will be discussing, narrating, even teaching to their friends some portion, not पूरा. You know, some teachers, especially 40 plus, मेरी उम्र के, I'm 45 plus by the way. मेरी उम्र के जो teachers वो बोलते हैं, पहला उनको बोलेंगे, अरे तो हमारा काम ही क्या है? Sorry, it doesn't mean 60 मिनट में 10 मिनट बच्चों को दें. Just see 6-10 minutes. उनकी personality, उनकी बोलने की power, communication skills, soft skill, team building will be all up. 50 मिनट तो आपके पास है, 5 मिनट अटेंडेंस के चले गए, 45 तो अभी भी आपके पास है. So please do flip. Is one of the powerful tool to do. Cooperative group learning. बच्चों के groups बना के we can do cooperative group learning. Problem based. Do not start with Newton's third law, second law, first law. Give them some problem to solve, and if they solve or unsolve also, but fine, they will use their mind. क्या चल रहा है? Then teach theory. IITs में ये session चलते हैं. IITs में they first give the problem, then come to theory. In most of the Indian universities, पहले theory पढ़ाते हैं, फिर problem देते हैं. वहां भी आप देखें स्कोप है इम्प्रूवमेंट का. नेक्स्ट इज एक्टिव लैब. आई ऑलरेडी स्टूडेंट्स कर रहे हैं, आपने समझा दिया उनको, वीडियो दिखा दिया थ्रू ऑगमेंटेड रियलिटी, वर्चुअल रियलिटी. दे विल पिक अप. जब भी लॉकडाउन खत्म हो, सेशन बेटर हो, यू सी हाउ दे विल डू एक्टिव लैब. और लास्ट, आई एम श्योर यू हैव हर्ड फ्रॉम मेनी वाइस चांसलर्स, मेनी डीन्स, मेनी डायरेक्टर्स, द टाइम इज फॉर ब्लेंडेड लर्निंग, बोथ ऑन एंड ऑफलाइन. दैट्स द पावर. What are the examples? I wish you can take a screenshot. I hope आपको मैंने सफेद text use किया है. I hope दिख रहा है. Students make presentations. real-time case studies for management and humanities especially, and engineering, role plays, learning with blended environment. MOOCs also आपको पता होगा, massive open online courses. So simulation day class में, quizzes, crosswords, and many things you can do online also, by the way. If any teacher wants help, I will leave my email ID. Please come back. I'll try to help you. Or make some group of teachers. We can again interact. My job is Fly High wants to reach to maximum teachers for the betterment. Conference participation. इसमें ध्यान दें आप. We all go for conference, and many times some teachers also I have seen, they will attend conference. How they will register, they will finish their session, and they will go and roam. Sometimes they see the other part of the city. But tell your students when they make the presentation, they also have to attend all other sessions. In fact, we also should do. I do that. I never go missing until I inform the organizers. And let them come back to the class and give to the entire class. Today, online sessions or conferences. So let your students attend, and then again in your class, give 5 minutes, just 5 minutes. What did you learn in the conference? Can you make a presentation now? Wow, he will be very, very attentive. अभी आपको एक सेशन के बाद एक और सेशन इस पर लेना हो, assume, morning, Dr. Chandrasekhar was the keynote speaker. Suppose your director told, now you have to make presentation to other teachers. How we will be careful in listening? Because मुझे देना है. Exactly this technique you try in the class. Awesome. You will get 100% success. And the last, as I was telling you, better than me are my students in technology. In fact, my younger teachers, assistant professors have taught me some technology. I'm going to use one end of the session. So it's really nice that students can be given chance to do, and they will work very well. So as we finish this student-centric learning, there are the 4 methods you can do. Something in the theory, I've just divided. So theory or lab, something we can do in either theory or lab, only in theory class, only in the lab, or give 4th more component. जहाँ आपकी ज़रूरत नहीं है, self-learning. Self-learning, not, and if at all they can get certificate, wow. But certificate should not be the only reason to learn. Then learning कहाँ होगी? Certificate अर्जित होगा. So motivate them. You are very important. You can motivate. More than parents, they listen to us. You know it. हमारी value हमारे हाथों में. So it's very important. And आजकल तो the best part of 21, Government of India has told मातृभाषा की importance. So there is no problem that they don't know English. Where is the problem? Let them speak in their मातृभाषा, राज्य भाषा. Absolutely fine. भाषा में पकड़ जरूरत है. Not कि सिर्फ इंग्लिश में ही पकड़ चाहिए. Sorry, it's not. I'm so happy in India this has come. I'm so happy. So please देखें. ये इसमें कुछ भी आपको वर्ड कुछ पूछना हो तो मुझसे पूछें आप. अदरवाइज मैं ही बोल रही हूँ, मजा नहीं आ रहा इतना. आप भी participate करें. So any point, any question if you have on this slide, I'm ready to answer. And 4 pencil, 4. I like pencils very much. So I just brought it. But these 4 are really very useful. Even I learned in last 5 years a lot of things from them. So this is a gift, I can say. What is that? Options are unlimited. I have just demonstrated which way you can make your students. Some classes, humanities teachers can do very good journaling, journals likhna. They also can bring creative with management, and humanities can do storytelling. Engineering can do simulation, AR, VR, mixed reality, visualization, mind map, any subject can use. DIY, I have learned from IITs, DIY is do-it-yourself labs. Today, managements are investing money on DIY. जहाँ teachers नहीं जाते हैं, सारे facilities हैं, right students के लिए to innovate and bring patents to the institution. And every subject can have brainstorming. Every. Coming to the second and the last part, which I wanted to talk to you in terms of enhancing teaching effectiveness. अगर हम personality नहीं समझ सकते, तो it's very difficult to teach, to grow, and to be successful. So today, scientists have very much realized, governments have realized, and आपने एक शब्द सुना होगा, happiness index. If you want, you can note it and Google it a little later. Happiness index, HI. So, India comes very low. We are earning very, हम पैसे अच्छे कमा रहे हैं. In fact, हमारे country में teachers तो पैसे ज़्यादा कमा नहीं पा रहे हैं, especially private में. But still, we are not happy. And there are countries where teachers are happiest. So there is certain, mismatch है कहीं पर mismatch है. The nation which gave Nalanda, Takshila universities is not happy. That's a fact. Do you know, I'm so sorry, but I have to give you some data. In India, sorry, in world, India is number one in which disease? Can you tell me? Anybody? Just you answer. हम बहुत आगे हैं. Anybody? I'll switch the window. I want to kindly come on the video now. I also can see your beautiful faces. Every face is beautiful. Although I come from a community, Khandelwal, where in my childhood I have heard so ये काली है, ये गोरी नहीं है. So बचपन में काफी चैलेंज थे, but बड़े होते होते सारे अपने आप दूर करे. Yes, thank you, Ujwal. If you find it is dynamic section, nice, thank you. Yeah, in fact, I didn't ask feedback. So nice of some of you. You're already giving feedback. Thank you. Yes, Dr. Agrawal, depression. Thank you so much. Are you a medical doctor? Really, Dr. Agrawal, thank you so much. Depression. Dr. Akash is so right. So sorry. So sorry to tell you. In fact, I learned from B.K. Shivani ji. I listen to her when I want to be better. She herself is an electronics engineer, gold medalist from Pune University. And I learned from her last year. India is number one in depression. तो हम जा कहाँ रहे हैं टेक्नोलॉजी के साथ? डिप्रेशन में. नींद नहीं आ रही, दवाई खा रहे हैं. I mean, like, you just see what I'm talking. So as teachers, 60 human beings we deal. We are not dealing with 60 computers in a computer lab. We are dealing with 60 students in a classroom. How important role we have. So thank you, Dr. Agrawal. You brought out the very important dimension, which is depression. Thank you so much for your participation. आवाज स्लो हो जाती है क्योंकि दुख होता है कि ये टॉकिंग जहाँ मैक्सिमम कल्चर है वहाँ डिप्रेशन सबसे ज्यादा है. हाउ इज इट पॉसिबल? क्या हुआ पिछले 20 सालों में? Sorry, but the beauty is what we can enhance. We can be positive. We can be dynamic. We can be doing with best push. We can do the job, and we can bring out. And the best profession is teachers. So can you imagine how happy I am when I am now helping teachers to be better? पहले तो मैं सिर्फ 60 बच्चों को देखती थी या कभी-कभी 40 होते थे. When I was heading first year engineering with basic sciences and humanities, I had 1,200 students under me. When I was heading biotechnology, I had 60, sometimes 45. But in fact, 60, 65, 63. Last, when I was heading, it was 63. So 63. Aaj, I'm talking to 1,000 plus students in one go. That's my satisfaction. I get huge satisfaction. फिर पैसे बाद में आते हैं. पैसे भी चाहिए, absolutely. But satisfaction, depression means we are not happy. Kindly understand why I'm exemplifying myself. We are not happy. हमें क्रिब, कुड़ना, दुख होना, दूसरों की खुशी में खुशी नहीं होना, are all aspect of negativity. So, अपने को उठाएं, दूसरों को उठाएं. दूसरे कौन? हमारे colleagues as well as हमारे students. कहाँ? Organization कहाँ जाएगा? ऊपर, ऊपर, ऊपर. Morning, Dr. Chandrasekhar was telling India is so low. One person he mentioned on patenting. अरे एक मौका तो दें अपने आप को. Wow. In fact, I have filed 2 patents. It was beautiful journey. And the second patent is with my gold medal student sitting in SAP labs in Whitefield in Bangalore. That's what it is there. In fact, one is granted already. Second is very towards it. You know, मजा आता है field बना के. HOD and teachers, my project students were with me when I was filing the patent, Indian patent that is. It's पैसे कम थे तो Indian patent ही file कर पाए, to be honest. Okay, so can you see this mathematical, simple arithmetic equation? Intelligence quotient, marks, अगर हम अपने भाषा में बात करें, number, आंकड़े are not enough. So marks are index of your intelligence. Okay, that also depends on the question paper. अगर question paper सिर्फ रखने वाला है तो intelligence भी कहाँ है फिर तो. Second is EQ, कितना समझ सकते हैं, how much I am aware of myself, how much I am motivated. दोनों को मिला के सक्सेस है. टुडे डिप्रेशन इज हाई बिकॉज ये कहीं मिस हो रहा है. EQ छोड़ दिया हमने कहीं पर. सो प्लीज कम आउट. सो कैन आई शो यू योर ब्यूटीफुल डायग्राम? IQ with EQ with a person is total personality. In India we spoke only of IQ, career, नौकरी, तनख्वाह. फिर कहीं छूट गई कुछ चीजें, अब वापस लेकर आ रहे हैं. That's the beauty. It's the beauty is that you know, we need to really catch the time, jitna bhi hai, phir wapas shine kare. You know, please. So what is the solution? Be emotional intelligence. It's a skill, by the way. I will just, before I will end the session, not myself. World Economic Forum, if some of you can write on the text, Dr. Agrawal, if you can write, help me. WEF, World Economic Forum, is a beautiful website and it gives future of jobs report. Important for all the teachers who are in final years, handling final years. And for director, it's very important. And for placement head, very important. WEF gives future of job reports. Please go through. You will get this term emotional intelligence there. Please. फिर मेरी जो बात मैंने कही थी माधुरी दीक्षित वाली, and in fact, that's why I tell all the mothers of the sons, every time I tell, make sure that your sons respect ladies and girls. Make sure that they help other friends to understand the importance. Don't tell daughters to be strong alone. That is half job. Mothers of the daughters are very careful. Mothers of the son, equally important, your job is to make your sons responsibly intelligent. लड़का है ऐसे करेगा. This terminology देखिए हम क्या use करते हैं. And I'm sorry, because the same attitude comes in the classroom. So I have to bring this point. So EI, World Economic Forum में जाएं, देखें, and you will enjoy this term, why it is coming in the boardrooms, in the CEO's chamber, in HR department of the organizations, and certainly of the institutions. So it plays an important role in performance. And remember, we started with health and happiness. So if you have EQ high, you are happy. As simple as that. कभी और बात करेंगे, आज तो time कम है, but I must tell you the 5 important. I must also accept. 2017 में I felt I need to improve. After a team which I took very high score of MBA, I still felt I have a lot of deficiencies. So I wanted to change the job also. Risk taking. I have that. I very high paid job I left. And I became a student. And one of the subject which I studied from IIT Kharagpur is this subject, EI, emotional intelligence. And today, AICT has brought this subject in the mainstream. So I pat myself. अपने आप को शाबाशी देना बहुत जरूरी होता है. I always tell my students, appreciate. So this I studied to improve myself. Today, I am enjoying sharing. क्यों? क्योंकि गलती करके उठी हूँ तो फिर वो अच्छा लगता है कि young teachers को बता दूं वो same गलती ना करें जो मैंने कर ली या मेरे जैसे लोगों ने कर ली. So we should accept. I am with all humility. सर झुका के accept करके बोल रही हूँ कि I made mistakes as especially head. So अभी things are much better. It's going pretty smooth. घर में भी बाहर. And one byproduct, EI is not only for job, by the way, it's equally important घर में. So today we are talking of divorce. Relationship में problem है, रिश्तों नहीं बन रहे हैं. All is better with EI. So I invite you to go through the subject. If you want my help, most welcome to reach out. So आप ध्यान दें, EI talks about within the person and beyond the person. So I'm sure this word empathy बहुत चलन में आजकल, तो आप समझ सकते हैं. This is the word which I want to use. So एक और taxonomy है जो कि सिर्फ Bloom's की बात जैसे होती है. जो भी बताया EI, there's one taxonomy which follows both the aspect of Bloom's with human dimension and caring aspect. That is Fink's taxonomy. Some of you may be expert. Please help your colleagues to develop your expertise here. ये बहुत अच्छा research paper था 2015 का वहाँ से. So I invite you to build the skill of your students. Be it in curiosity, common sense and observation, learnability, command and communication, strength of digital skills and visualization power, bent for multidisciplinary. Zamana to multidisciplinary ka hi hai, and remaining you can see. Anybody would like to speak on journalist, which is deep, I'll be very happy. Deep journalist. As we end, towards the end, let me please invite you to embark in the new normal to a modified cycle. What is the difference in this cycle? There are 2 pedals now. One pedal for the teacher, we are leading. Second pedal is for the students. क्योंकि अब वो do कर रहे हैं ना, they are doing, so they are driving with 21st century skills. 21st century skills. अब साइकिल में एक टॉर्च भी आ गई है, जरा ध्यान दें आप, और एक बास्केट लगा दी गई है पब्लिक प्रोडक्ट. तो जो भी करें सोसाइटी पब्लिक का ध्यान रख के करें, अपनी खुशी के लिए ना करें. इनोवेशन इज ऑल अबाउट सोसाइटल टच. इन्वेंशन इनोवेशन में यही डिफरेंस है. If you're innovating, you will bring product in the market, technology in the market. If you're inventing, it could be only for you and your team. So today students are also pedaling. And आप ध्यान दें इन words पे हमारा role क्या है. So that's still the best part. We are leading. We are the leaders. So important is to do this. This is not new. This is 2009 research paper. 2009. Wonderful job done by Trilling and Fatal. I wrote a mail to them. It was so nice, and I appreciated them from my heart. कुछ अच्छा लगे तो उसको शेयर करना चाहिए आगे, और कुछ बुरा लगे तो भी बता देना चाहिए, इम्प्रूवमेंट होगा. So as I wrap up, it's so important. Remember this image I brought earlier also. And what is this image? It's that you are important. So if now you agree you are important, or please be motivated for your job. Please be healthy and happy. So I have kept motivation now before health and happiness. So if you are motivated, if you are strong, your students, many of them will be strong. OBE, outcome-based education, is possible. But it will be more on the papers. So remember, as teachers, in fact, all are important, but as teachers, we are very important because we have 60 in front of us. With these, with folded hands, ये नमस्ते नहीं है, ये folded hands हैं, gratitude filled. I thank Buddha Institute of Technology for this beautiful forum through Dr. N. Guru Prasad, my wonderful colleague, which we have worked for 3 years together. Thank you so much, sir. If you are in the session, I really don't know, but taking me in the team itself meant very high to me. Thanks to all the teachers with organizers for being present for this session, which lasted for 1.5 hours. Session is still not over. I invite you to ask questions, and I am here on mail and LinkedIn. If you want, I can also add. Sometime, when I wish I can also add my phone number in front of you. If you wish, you can connect me on WhatsApp. Here I am. Once again. And I'm reachable at this. So let's connect. Agar hamare thoughts similar hai, let's be stronger team. Let's do some things together, and it will be great. So LinkedIn ho, chahe Gmail hai aapke samne, chahe phone number hai. Let's do something phenomenal for students. And with these words, as I thank each and every one of you for paying attention, for participating, can I invite you further to participate in this game, which I'm sure it will run, which is on menti.com. This is a collaborative tool which is running on artificial intelligence. And before I make you play, in all humility, let me tell you, it is one faculty, Anand Panduranga, where Dr. Group sir is working. I also worked the last year there. He's his younger colleague from computer science department, and he taught me. I knew, but he made me a little stronger in Mentimeter. This is the game. So younger assistant professor, I learned as professor, he taught me. I'm professor, he's assistant, and it was so beautiful team. We are in touch, and this is what is an outcome. So please, my request, menti.com, जरा अपने browser में, चाहे Google Chrome हो, चाहे Mozilla हो, या Internet Explorer, जो भी आप use करते हो, please type another window, menti.com. और वो आपसे कोड पूछेंगे. अगर आपको मन है तो आप नाम लिखें, वरना you can skip your name. कभी कभी हम कॉन्शियस होते हैं नाम के साथ, एंड हम अलग अलग इंस्टीट्यूट से हैं, सो आई रिस्पेक्ट योर फीलिंग, empathy in me is making so, but please write your code, which is, if I can request Ankurji, if you are there, I'm on different screen, but if you can just type this code on the text, 1142 8093, it will be great. I have noted on my paper also, even I can.
Yeah, ma'am.
Thank you
I'm
so
here.
much. Yeah, menti.com, और
Okay.
ये पहले menti.com टाइप करें. Yeah. Any question as we start typing? We will have some time क्योंकि कुछ time लगेगा load होने में, तो बताएं. Any question?
Now we can open the platform for all the participants to have any queries. If you have any queries, you can ask directly your queries to ma'am.
Before that, Ankurji, what I was saying now, I was feeling that if at all, I was inviting them in the game, menti.com. And because we have to log in, it will take some time, so we can also do this aspect of joining and questions. Yeah. Please join kare, Menti mein. Please, let's collaborate. It will take a few seconds. Let's collaborate. Yeah. Menti.com type kare apne phone pe ya laptop pe, and it will ask a code which is I'm sharing in the screen. Yeah. Please try kare. Should I share? And as you join, you can ask others. Anybody can ask questions also, as Ankurji told. You can ask questions also, because you will take some time to log in, so I will keep answering by that time. Feel free, any question you want, any point you want to share. Not only questions, you can share also. We all are teachers. Yeah.
Yeah, I can see one question from Ashish Agarwal.
Yes, yes.
How students write answers in English when they are from Hindi medium school, and if language is not a barrier in gaining the knowledge, why the universities ask the student to write in English?
Yeah. It's a very good question, fundamentally system-based question. I'm not the vice chancellor, but I must tell that this was a big problem, and this has been improved now in India. From this year onwards, JE also has come in the vernacular. 13 languages Government of India has picked up. Hindi is certainly one. Maximum people speak Hindi in country. So it is there. This problem will be solved. We have made big mistakes in this. Aapka question बहुत अच्छा है. So the thing is that we are improving now. And if at all, it will take some time. My request is that as in the child comes in first semester, make English important. Let them do college ke baad. Today, you need not teach them. There is YouTube. The basic English is taught so easily, free of cost. So it's not no investment of money also, but some time. And great way we can learn through some tools available on YouTube. I mentioned on MOOC, massive open online courses. There are so basic English to advanced English courses. हमारा अपने देश का MOOC जो है NPTEL. In fact, I also train students there under IIT Madras. So they also have basic courses in English. And registration is free. Only examination come for 1100 rupees. So that's not at all a problem. So please invite your students. The problem is that when they face the trouble during exam के एक हफ्ते पहले we can't make English strong. So we need to take care as they enter your institution. May not be you. Collaborate with your humanities teachers. Collaborate. You know this word I'm speaking from last 1.5 hours. So as you collaborate, it will be great. As you collaborate. I think teachers, very few teachers have joined menti.com. Please come fast. Energy line. Feel motivated. Try to experiment new platform. Try. Okay, please, each of you are important. So don't leave the session. You can just try to experiment. May I ask you one question? Do you use some online tools to make interest in your online classes? Anybody? Do you make? It's really important. If you want students to have interest, they know technology better than us. So invite them for some platforms. They will do a great job. Ankurji, any other question? I'm also scrolling. I have to.
Yeah, I can't found any question right now. That was the
I
only
saw one question towards the end. I will read it. So Ashish ji, Agrawal ji, make your students collaborate with English department. Tell them YouTube, tell them MOOCs easily, and your problem will be 50% solved for sure. If at all your university is still asking in English, this problem is solvable. That much I have to say. Okay. Yeah, very good. Very nice, Ujjwalji, because I am waiting to start the game. Only 2 of you have joined, 2 or 3. So I wish others also join. Why we are not joining? Any reason? Please join now. It will be nice to see also. Please join. Just type menti.com. You need not leave the meeting for joining. Just change the browser. That's all. Code, please. Yes, code is 1142 8093. I'll show from here. You can see now, I'm showing the screen. ये ऊपर लिखा है छोटा सा. I'm highlighting it. 1142 8093. Yeah, very good. Please come fast now. We have less time remaining now. Please come fast. Any other question? Anybody would like to share anything? Yeah. Thank you, Ujjwalji. Thank you. Any question? Yes, feedback also aa chuka hai aapka. Feedback form. Great. So nice. Till 6 p.m. you can answer. Yeah. Any question? Any point? Please come fast and Menti. It will not take more than few minutes to play. We started at around 2:40. Right? We have still few minutes. Yeah, Ankurji, please kahe. You want to say something?
No, ma'am.
I'm waiting. Only 6 have joined. I can play with 6 also. Code, please. Kamalji, code. Sharma ji, code is here only in the chat. 1142 8093. 8093. 8 digit. Yeah, code thoda lamba hai. Thank you. Nice. Yes, yes, I appreciate one of you who's saying we are waiting. Yes, this is the thing. Yeah, Ashish ji, you show the videos is very nice. Continue this. Bring them to MOOCs. Ashish ji, I'm writing for you only. ये टाइप करें आप गूगल में इस सेशन के बाद MOOCs और इस प्लेटफॉर्म में जाएं NPTEL नेशनल प्रोग्राम ऑन टेक्नोलॉजी इनेबल्ड लर्निंग अंडर IIT Madras. I myself was a student some years before here. So now I'm teaching here. But that's true. These two are the very good platforms for making your students learn, is what I'm trying to say. Yeah, you know about it now. So please inform your students also. Very nice, Ashish ji. You know already. So please tell your students, motivate them. You know what we have done? Some institutions, I tell them to the directors, make it compulsory, one course. Kabhi kabhi we have to push them. Right now, see, I'm inviting all of you, only 9 have come till now. But if at all your director says compulsory hai, isme participate karna, see, our registration will increase. In Menti, I'm saying. So this happens. Most of us, we have an attitude that nahi, agar option hai, to chhod dete hai. Okay, let's play then. I will honor these 9 who have joined. Others, please see. What screen is visible, Ankurji? What is the screen visible? Now I'm showing. Which screen is visible?
Yeah, ma'am. The question
Menti
1
ki
of
screen.
4. Yeah, Menti screen.
Very good.
Yeah.
Thank you. So now, please, it is just like Mr. Amitabh Bachchan's Kaun Banega Crorepati. So there are enough time, 30 seconds for each question. And now the first question is on your screens. And choose the best answer. The most important role of today's teachers are what? We discuss so much. So, padhe, best answer, type kare, submit it. Yeah, 15 seconds to go. Very nice. 7 have already answered. Very nice. Yes. Oh, very good. 10 are playing. So everyone has voted. Very great. So what is the answer? Majority is right. Impart knowledge, inspire, and make students think. Today, this has become important. Today, the question wasn't today. बाकी गलत नहीं है, पूरे सही नहीं है. Great. So please see this game. This is with AI, artificial intelligence. So if you want to play with your students, it's great. More than us, they are interested. So, I'm just giving an example. And see, some of you are so wonderful, you have given your name also. Wow. US is fastest, the first one. And Sandeep Singh ji, you are playing, maybe 2 Sandeep Singh are there. Nice, very nice. And, this just a way we are playing. And no, it's not that we are judging, nothing like that. But your students will love more than us. So please see the second question. Now we will go a little faster. But time is same, some 25 to 30 seconds. All the teachers in our higher education, HEI means higher education institutions, are what? Are we digital native? Digital means technology related, or immigrants, or we are both? Very easy question. This a new term you will know. So I say I am a digital immigrant. So what are we? Wow, 8 have already answered this question. Great. And that's great. All of you have, I think, already answered. And we all are, most teachers are what? Digital immigrants. Honestly, teachers are not natives because all of us have been born before 2000, right? So, tab digital ka zamana nahi tha. It was traditional zamana. So, all of us teachers are at least 25 years old. So, 1995 se pehle, the date of birth. So, we are immigrants. Hamare, students are digital natives. So Google karke dekhe, you will enjoy this term. And use this to your students. Hey, I'm digital immigrant, you are native, so it should be easy for you. Don't make fun of us. Sometimes students make fun of teachers. Oh, this ma'am doesn't know this. This sir doesn't know this. So please see the third question. सिर्फ 4 question रखे हैं, बाकी एक true false है. Passion, perseverance, patience, and one more P are constant factors for successful teaching. What do you say? What is required for teaching? You please tell. No, Saketji, not native doesn't relate only to age. It relates to the time period when technology boom came. So thank you so much, 8 of you. Positivity is required in teachers, absolutely. So passion, interest hona chahiye, perseverance and patience with positivity. Great, wonderful. And the last multiple choice question we have come into. And acha, I think 1 minute. Okay, leaderboard still came. Sorry. So this is your marks, or each question marks are being added up. Just see the beauty of this game. So Sandeep Singh ji was fastest here. Okay. So please see the question, which is on your screen. And here it is. COVID-19 and disruptions are navigating teachers towards what? So what are we into now? Upskilling, knowledge and right attitude. Knowledge is in fact in all, that's true. The best answer you have to give. Great. Some of you are very fast in answering. Very nice. Others who are watching, you can really see and you can try yourself Menti sometime. Absolutely 4 of you. Upskilling, knowledge and right attitude. This COVID has taught us, see, this is upskilling. Digital itself is upskilling. But I'm very happy for all to attempt. For me, all 10 of you are winners. All 10 of you. Great. So this is all about your multiple choice, and I'll invite you for some other, I'll just demonstrate certain things. That's why I'm bringing some more type of question. So Kamal Kishore Sharma ji has won, and I request Ankur ji, the organizers and team to appreciate all the 10 with Kamal Kishore ji for this.
Okay.
Motivation is right. Otherwise, I will send me this. I will send appreciation words to them. So please see participants. This image, can you see what does it mean? One student is doing something. So what do you say? Is it true or false? This image carries an example of active learning. True or false? If it is true, thumbs up. If it is false, down. If you didn't understand the question, put a question mark. If you love the question, you can give the heart sign also. Yes, please type. Yes, it is true. Absolutely. You can do faster. Yes. So you see how illustrative is this? We are also enjoying, students also enjoy a lot of this and they play. Thank you. Now, what do you wish? I'll just show you one AI tool again. What are the 2 new terms what you picked up in the session? Can you please write? What are the 2 keywords which you could pick up? Yeah. Yeah. So please write. I'll just show you word cloud, how the machine has intelligence works, and you can understand what your students are understanding. Online, it is so difficult otherwise to teach, so difficult. Yes, we are wrapping up. Please do faster. Are you typing? 2 keywords. You can write 3 also. But at least 2 words, new words or whichever you liked, you picked up in today's session. Native and immigrants. Okay, fine, great. Some more people, please write, all of you, please. And meanwhile, others who are not playing, any question you have, you can do. This is online. I know the time is up. It is just 90 minutes over for me now. Yeah, please type. Native, okay, great. Immigrants, see, can you see some letters are bigger than and some are small. So when we write same words, it will grow in size. That's where you can ask your students what they are understanding. I'm not judging because you all are teachers, but you can make such tool use in your class, is what I'm trying to say. Great, great. And if you could write one sentence or one word as a feedback, it will be nice. If you could write. And be honest in writing. That's very important. Yeah. This finishes my job. Please write your feedback. And I change the screen so that I'm not sharing to any. So you can openly write this. I will read it a little later. Yeah. So any point, anything, otherwise I hand over back to the organizer, the coordinator, Mr. Ankur Kumar.
Thank you, ma'am, for such a wonderful session. It was actually a very innovative session.
Okay.
What I found, because I have coordinated so many events, but this was very innovative way to present yourself. So thank you so much, and Buddha Institute of Technology is looking forward to have more sessions with you in coming future. And we'll definitely will have some more sessions with you. And I'm
Sure.
also thankful to Dr. Guruprasad sir, who has
Absolutely.
given who has introduced me such a great speaker for the day. So I take this privilege from this institute and as a coordinator of this FDP to welcome you also, and I'm very grateful to you that you accepted our invitation and you being the speaker of the this event. So thank you once again with a folded hand. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you
Thank you
so
so
much.
much. Wonderful seeing you now. I'm seeing you. I'm so happy. And really, it was very nice. Thanks to NGP, sir. And to me, it is homecoming to me back to UP, although digital, as if मैंने एक बरेली का चक्कर लगा दिया. So it's very nice feeling. Gorakhpur, my relatives are there. Wonderful.
Okay,
Thank you.
in coming future, we are also looking forward to have some sessions from you. Thank you.
Sure. Thank you so much.
And for all the participants, I have shared this feedback link. So kindly submit your feedback link till 6 p.m. And I'm also sending the attendance report for every session on the WhatsApp group. So kindly join that WhatsApp group so that we can have a better communication there. Thank you once again. Thank you.
Thank you, teachers. Thank you, everybody. Please take care and shine and rise, I will say. Take
Thank you.
care. Bye-bye.